Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this series of videos, we are looking at the ADI Pro credentials. In this particular case, we're looking at how you'd add these cards to a net2 system. So instead of using the information on the card, here we have 099, which is the site code, and 12001, which is the actual card number. We're going to enroll the cards in by the learn method. So why would we do that? Well, if you've got an existing net2 system, and on that system they already have a Wiegand reader, and it's 26-bit, and it's a HID reader, but there's many different types of card. There might be different site codes, or there might be different format of cards, but they're all in one thing. They all have something in common, the 26-bit, which means you cannot enter a site code like you have here, because if you did enter a site code, the card numbers would fundamentally change. So we have to leave it as it is there, as 26-bit. If we go to the events menu, and if we present this card to the reader, the card I've got here is actually, the card number is stamped 12018, but you can see it comes through as this number here. This is because it's taken all 26 bits of information in the card and converted it to a number that works within net2, which isn't, for you, adding the card is quite difficult. So how do we get around that? Well, it's quite simple. We go to the nearest reader to the PC, change this menu here to desktop reader, yes, click apply, and now if I present my card to that reader, and we're going to call it ADI video card, just so I can find it in the list in a moment. All our result doors. It's populated the token number here with the number we saw before, because this is its number condensed into a usable feature, a usable number. Add user, and then close. So now, if I had a pack of 25, I would do that 25 times, add a user, give them a name, add them a user, give them a name, and so on, until you've used all 25 cards up. Then go back to this, change it to a token only, and click apply. So now the cards you've added are added to the system, they're in 26-bit, and if we go to events, now if I present my card to the reader, you can see that the video card access was permitted, and that particular card's now enrolled into the system. And there we are. That's how you would use the ADI Pro credentials, adding them to a net2 system in a generic 26-bit format. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.